everyone and welcome back. Today I want to show you how I did the power wash method on my tumbler. So first thing I did is I glittered my tumbler and I sealed it really well with epoxy. Then I took it outside and I sprayed the Dawn Powerwash. As you can see, I sprayed it all over. Got my purple spray paint, spray painted all over the spots. And you got to keep in mind the spray paint is going to hit whatever that is not already sprayed with the power wash. Again, so if you want a particular area not covered with spray paint, then that's what you need to power wash. Then all you do is after you spray painted it, get you a cup or bowl or hydrant water, faucet, whatever hose you want to use, and just seal it off. Just take it off with the water. And that's all I'm doing is pouring all my water all over it and done. It's as easy as that. So that is the power wash method, and I did it on an already glittered tumbler. It doesn't have to be already glittered. You could do it on just a regular color. You don't have to use glitter, but whatever you do use, I would recommend to epoxy it to seal it first and then do your power wash. That's it, you guys. And then after that, I did let it dry, and then I did a coat of epoxy over it. So that's it, turning with the coat of epoxy. And that middle spot is where I didn't want it to have any spray paint because I'm going to put my vinyl name in that area. Everywhere else that has purple, that's where I wanted it. Thanks.